4 days ago, Syed was attacked in the United States, and he was unable to take the flight that he was booked on from Newark to London on Saturday night and arrive here yesterday morning. So we had a bit of a crisis yesterday, but despite the fact that he is clearly injured, and we have managed to persuade him to make an appearance so that he tells his story and you can also put questions to him. So with those words, it's over to you, Syed.
Hello everyone, thanks for coming down there. I use Hindi, English, American, British both. So everyone loud and clear?
Yes, please speak in English so that everyone can understand.
Okay,
You can do so with an American accent, but do speak English.
Alright, so my name is Shuja. I'm known with many names. You know, some call me Sid, some call me Syed, some call me Rinkesh, some call me Mohit. I'm also a fortune teller. So I can tell you what is going to happen after this press conference. First thing, Election Commission of India will deny the possibility of EVM hacking. Second, the ruling party will deny their involvement in what happened since 2013 until date. Third, the Electronic Corporation of India will deny my existence as an employee of ECI. And fourth, that I don't exist in any system whatsoever in India because I'm dead 4.5 years ago. So these are the things which are definitely going to happen in about 2 hours from here. To start with, I was supposed to come down there, do a demo. However, those who are supposed to get the EVMs transported to India, they have been offered great amount of money, and they decided not to show up at the venue with the EVMs which was used in recent elections, the 2018 November election. So that plan was completely dropped out. However,
Belai na hambai tripuri khorang nai tong nai ta hukte buhuk sona sini channel tabu bonorok subscribe khlaya khong khang dak tino subscribe khlai di job nse sekang video norok nugna bagai abani bagi ta makhnai video ni tola norok nugo yagra phai sing subscribe ni suija kasa khlai abona click khlai di click khlai mani loge loge no kaisa bell hai khlai nugjaga na nukjaka a bell click khlai re click khlai re kha ke sing video upload khlai mani loge loge no norok video nugana joton sai sekang nugana abani bagai belakano hambai nai tong di